Y'all, well, it was a waterfowl weekend. Painting up some more decoys I got at a garage sale. Got them looking pretty good. Still working on a drake. I got one more drake to do. I got new decoys, but these are kind of cool. They're old. Been working on my duck call still. Got my quack sounding pretty good. Got my calls cleaned up, sound a little better. I got this in my hair. This Pro Series cleaned up pretty good. See how the quack sounds on that. I like that Pro Series, but I like the duck picker better. Don't take a lot of pressure for the Pro Series. You gotta watch it blow too hard. But like I said, I try to practice every day, every time I'm in my truck. I was back online doing a lot of reading, trying to get all the info I can get. But I got all summer, so been scouting online, checking out some maps, places to go. And my wood duck call, still working on that one. But yeah. Well, I'll let y'all go. See you in the marsh.